Just a few hours from the vibrant chaos of Istanbul lies a quieter, greener, and equally fascinating destination, Bursa, the first capital of the Ottoman Empire. This is my day trip adventure through history, flavors, and breathtaking landscapes, a full-day journey into the heart of Turkey. The day started early with a comfortable pickup from Istanbul, followed by a scenic drive crossing the Izmir Gulf via the impressive Osman Gazi Bridge. Along the way, we passed by the charming town of Uludağ with an optional ATV safari stop for the thrill seekers. Our first stop in Bursa? A Turkish delight factory, and yes, it's as sweet as it sounds. Endless trays of flavored lokum, honey, and jam. I couldn't resist sampling everything. Then came a humbling moment beneath the Ancient Tree of Inkaya, a majestic 630-year-old sycamore that stands as a living witness to centuries of history. Afterward, we made our way to Uludağ Mountain, Turkey's beloved ski resort and natural playground. We enjoyed a delicious local lunch featuring a mixed grill and crisp mountain air, the perfect combo. For those who chose the option, the cable car ride from Uludağ to downtown Bursa offered a surreal view: rolling forests, winding roads, and distant rooftops peeking through the mist. And then, the highlight of the city's heritage, the exquisite green mosque and green tomb, shining examples of early Ottoman architecture with intricate tiles and rich, spiritual detail. We ended our day at the Silk Market, where old-world charm met vibrant tradition. A perfect spot for a quick souvenir or a quiet moment with a warm Turkish tea. By nightfall, we were back in Istanbul, tired but fulfilled, with hearts full of memories and phones full of photos. This wasn't just a day trip, it was a glimpse into Turkey's soul.